Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss a very important topic from SY that is Dalton principle of maximum social advantages. So what is Dalton principle of maximum social advantages? That will start. So first of all we should know that we have already know about public finance which deal with taxation and expenditure, and it help us to understand mutual relation between authority. So according to Dalton, the main objective of public finance, it means that according to Dalton, whenever government decide taxation and expenditure, that time main motto of government is the maximization of a social advantages. जब भी गवर्नमेंट टैक्स एंड एक्सपेंडिचर डिसाइड करती है, देन मेन मोटो ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इज अ मैक्सिमाइजेशन ऑफ सोशल एडवांटेजेस. सो maximum social advantages is a fundamental principle which based on public finance. So the main concept which is explained by Dalton principle is that maximum social advantages. So the Dalton wants to say that the full name of Dalton is Hugh Dalton, and according to Hugh Dalton, that whenever government decide any unit of tax and any unit of expenditure, that time they will take a main important principle, that is maximum social advantages. Now what are the assumption of this principle? As we know very well, in economics each and every model is based on some assumption. So same here, Dalton principle is also based on some assumption. Assumption number 1, all the taxes are sacrifice, all the taxes lead to sacrifice, and all the expenditure lead to benefit. Then in public revenue, Dalton has taken only taxes, they have not include non-taxes revenue. So here in public revenue only taxes sources include, that is direct and indirect. Next is the government has only balanced budget where your expenditure equal to revenue. Next, public expenditure is based on principle, that is diminishing marginal social benefit. It means as expenditure increase, benefit decrease. Then taxes is based on principle, that is increasing marginal social sacrifice. It means as taxes increase, sacrifice also increase. So these are the assumption of a Dalton principle to explain maximum social advantages. Now to understand Dalton principle more clearly, Dalton classified his principle into two important concepts. These are called MSS and MSB. MSS means marginal social sacrifice, MSB means marginal social benefit. So first we'll understand what is marginal social sacrifice. So the sacrifice means whenever government impose additional unit of tax on people, whenever government impose additional or extra unit of taxes on people, that time people has to pay marginal and additional taxes to the government. Whenever government impose additional unit of taxes, that time government has to do additional sacrifice, so that is known as a marginal social sacrifice. For example, if government imposing 2% tax, then you have to do 2% sacrifice from your income. If government increase taxes 10%, then you have to do 10% sacrifice of income. So MSS means when government impose additional unit of taxes, that time people has to do additional social sacrifice, that is known as MSS. Now marginal social sacrifice of taxation increase एज पब्लिक रेवेन्यू इंक्रीज. जैसे जैसे गवर्नमेंट का रेवेन्यू बढ़ेगा, इसका मतलब है मार्जिनल सोशल सेक्रीफाइस ऑल्सो इंक्रीज, बिकॉज रेवेन्यू इज बेस्ड ऑन टैक्सेस. सो इफ टैक्स इंक्रीज देन रेवेन्यू इंक्रीज, एंड रेवेन्यू इंक्रीज इट मीन दैट people's sacrifice also increase. Then taxes are always subject to increasing marginal social sacrifice. इसका मतलब होता है जितना गवर्नमेंट टैक्स लगाएगी उतना लोगों का सेक्रीफाइस इंक्रीज होगा. सो दैट टैक्सेस आर बेस्ड ऑन प्रिंसिपल विच इज़ कॉल्ड इंक्रीजिंग मार्जिनल सोशल sacrifice. Then MSS curve, that is marginal social sacrifice curve, is upward sloping from left to right. How? That we will understand with the help of diagram. In the diagram you can see Y-axis represent marginal social sacrifice, X-axis represent unit of tax. So suppose government impose OM1 unit of tax, then people has to do sacrifice S1. If government impose OM2 unit of tax, then people has to sacrifice OS2. If government increase OM3 unit of tax, then people has to sacrifice S3. So the point is that as unit of tax increases, marginal social sacrifice also increases. So that MSS curve upward sloping from left to right. Now, unit of tax and marginal social sacrifice has positive relationship. So whenever government increase tax, that time marginal social sacrifice also increase. जैसे जैसे गवर्नमेंट का टैक्स बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे लोगों का सेक्रीफाइस भी बढ़ेगा. नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट इज marginal social benefit, that is MSB. So government do public expenditure for their welfare. Government spending money on education, health, defense, agriculture, transportation, infrastructure, housing, etc. So for welfare of people, government always spending money. So what is MSB? MSB means for additional benefit when government use additional unit of public expenditure, that is called marginal social benefits. See, when government spend additional unit of expenditure to get additional unit of benefit, that is called marginal social benefits. So MSB means जब गवर्नमेंट एक्स्ट्रा खर्चा करती है तो लोगों को एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट मिलता है, that is called MSB. Then MSB decline with the increase in a public expenditure. Marginal social benefit always decline as expenditure increase. रीज़न क्या है कि अगर गवर्नमेंट एक ही सर्विस पे बार बार पैसे खर्च करती रहेगी, देन पीपल विल स्टॉप assuming, or we can say people will stop take the advantage of this. For example, अगर गवर्नमेंट के स्कूल्स पे, हॉस्पिटल पे हद से ज़्यादा पैसे खर्च करती रहेगी, then people will not take interest because nowadays people moving toward the private school. So what will happen? जो marginal social benefits है वो कम होता जाएगा. So that MSB decline with increase in a public expenditure. Then MSB is based on principle that is called diminishing marginal utility. इसका मतलब होता है कि जितना एक्सपेंडिचर बढ़ेगा उतना बेनिफिट कम होता जाएगा. सो इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन डिमिनिशिंग, मतलब कम होना, डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. Next is diagram. MSB, it is downward sloping from left to right. In the diagram you can see y-axis represent marginal social benefit, x-axis represent public expenditure. So as public expenditure is OM1, then benefit is OB1. As expenditure increase from OM1 to OM2, benefit decrease from OB1 to OB2. As expenditure increase from OM2 to OM3, benefit decrease from OB2 to OB3. So you can see in the diagram, as public expenditure increase from M1, M2, M3, benefit decrease from B1, B2, B3. So that public expenditure and marginal social benefit have a negative relationship. So that marginal social benefit downward sloping from left to right. इसका मतलब है कि जितने पब्लिक एक्सपेंडिचर के यूनिट्स बढ़ेंगे उतना मार्जिनल बेनिफिट कम होता जाएगा. रीज़न एज आई टोल्ड यू, जितना गवर्नमेंट एक ही पब्लिक सर्विस पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पैसे खर्च करती जाएगी उससे जो बेनिफिट्स होते वो कम होते जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज़ a very important part, that is maximum social advantages. Now according to Dalton, maximum social advantages or MSA is possible at a point where MSS equal MSB. मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू डेल्टॉन जिस पॉइंट पे MSS और MSB इक्वल हो गए, दैट इज़ नोन एज मैक्सिमम सोशल एडवांटेजेस पॉइंट. बिफोर दैट वी शुड नो दैट व्हाट इज़ NSA. NSA मीन्स नेट सोशल एडवांटेजेस. सो व्हाट इज़ NSS? So difference between MSS and MSB measure net social advantages. Suppose if MSB greater than MSS, अगर मार्जिनल सोशल बेनिफिट मार्जिनल सोशल सेक्रीफाइस से ज़्यादा हो तो नेट सोशल एडवांटेजेस पॉजिटिव होगा. इफ़ MSB लेस देन MSS, अगर मार्जिनल सोशल बेनिफिट मार्जिनल सोशल सेक्रीफाइस से कम होगा तो नेट सोशल एडवांटेजेस नेगेटिव होगा। देन इफ़ एम एस बी इक्वल एम एस एस, अगर मार्जिनल सोशल बेनिफिट मार्जिनल सोशल सेक्रीफाइस के इक्वल होगा तो नेट सोशल एडवांटेजेस जीरो होगा। दिस थिंग कैन बिकम फॉर फिल इन द ब्लैंक. So according to Dalton, maximum social advantages will get at a point where MSB equal MSS. This thing will understand with the help of diagram. In the diagram you can see y-axis represent marginal social benefit and sacrifice, x-axis represent unit of tax and expenditure. MSS marginal social sacrifice curve, MSB marginal social benefit curve. In the diagram you can see if government impose OQ1 unit of tax and expenditure, that time marginal social benefit is P1 Q1, marginal social sacrifice is S1 Q1. So OQ1 unit of tax and expenditure पे MSB greater than MSS. Same here, if government impose OQ2 unit of tax and expenditure, then marginal social benefit is P2 Q2 and marginal social sacrifice is S2 Q2. So at OQ2 level of taxation and expenditure, marginal social sacrifice greater than marginal social benefit. Then at unit OQ, अगर गवर्नमेंट ओ क्यू यूनिट ऑफ टैक्स एंड एक्सपेंडिचर इम्पोज करता है, दैट टाइम एम एस बी एंड एम एस एस बोथ आर इक्वल. एम एस बी इज ऑल्सो पी क्यू एंड एम एस एस इज ऑल्सो पी क्यू. सो एट ओ क्यू यूनिट ऑफ टैक्सेशन एंड एक्सपेंडिचर एम एस एस इक्वल टू एम एस बी. सो गवर्नमेंट को तब तक टैक्स इंक्रीज करना है जब तक एम एस एस एंड एम एस बी इक्वल नहीं हो जाते, और गवर्नमेंट को तब तक एक्सपेंडिचर डिक्रीज करना है जब तक एम एस एस और एम एस बी इक्वल नहीं हो जाते. सो पॉइंट क्या कहना चाहता है, ये पॉइंट ये एक्सप्लेन करना चाहता है कि वेन एवर गवर्नमेंट इम्पोजिंग टैक्सेस और if we want to achieve maximum social advantages, then maximum social advantages is possible at a point where MSS equal MSP. So this is the conclusion of a Dalton principle of a maximum social advantages. Student, listen this video carefully, and whatever notes we have given in this, you write down in your notebook. It will definitely help you for your exam. Best of luck.